Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of waking up late and feeling sluggish? Well, I've got the solution for you. The alarm clock by DCYEQRQ is a game changer. This lightning-fast alarm clock is wireless, making it super easy to place anywhere in your room, and with its LED lights, you'll be able to see the time even in the darkest of rooms. The alarm clock by DCYEQRQ is well-reviewed and incredibly popular, with thousands of customers swearing by its effectiveness. One of the things I love about this alarm clock is its sleek and compact design. It feels solid in your hands, and the smooth texture is really nice to the touch. When the alarm goes off, it's loud and clear, with a sound that's not too harsh, but just harsh enough to get you out of bed. The LED lights are also really cool, they're bright and easy to read, and they give off a really nice glow in the dark. I've been using the alarm clock by DCYEQRQ for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a lifesaver. I'm not a morning person, but this alarm clock has helped me wake up feeling more refreshed and alert. I've also noticed that I'm getting to work on time, and I'm feeling more productive throughout the day. The alarm clock by DCYEQRQ is also really easy to use. You can set the time and alarm with just a few simple buttons, and it's also really easy to turn off, which is great for those mornings when you just want to hit the snooze button. Overall, I'm really impressed with the alarm clock by DCYEQRQ. It's a great product that's definitely worth checking out. If you're looking for a reliable and effective alarm clock, look no further. This is the one for you. So why not give it a try? You won't regret it. Trust me, your mornings will thank you. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.